Alright, so we're going to make some buffalo chicken dip today. We have smoked some cream cheese, which we're going to go ahead and pull off. It's been on the smoke for probably an hour, hour and a half. More than enough time to get our cream cheese dip going. So we're going to make our buffalo cream cheese dip. I start with 1 cup of Frank's RedHot. This is their buffalo wing sauce. And I do 1 cup of ranch. And you can use any ranch you want. You can even make your own if you wanted to. And we started with a block of smoked cream cheese, and we're just going to kind of whisk everything together here. And once that is mixed, we will add in some chicken and some smoked cheddar and smoked gouda cheeses. Alright, so everything whisked together there, and then we're just going to throw in probably a couple of cups of the smoked chicken thigh and mix that in. Unstuck. And then I have 4 ounces of smoked gouda and 4 ounces of smoked cheddar. I'm going to take about half of that and mix it in as well, and then we'll put some more on top later on. Smoked buffalo chicken dip going onto the smoker. It's running at 275 degrees. We'll leave it on there for probably about an hour, and then we'll throw a little bit more cheese on top.